Couple magazines, I can't remember.
What questions do you have? I'm Sergeant Davis. I was one.
So when I was met with the officers that arrested me, they grabbed both my arms and put them behind my back.
It's called arrest control.
Right.
Okay.
And I feel like it was kind of aggressive.
It may have been a little aggressive.
Yes.
Okay. Do you know what kind of warrant you have?
I do, yes.
Okay. Do you think that due to the fact that you have a history of being violent with other people, that maybe that's why they did that? Because here's the thing.
Right.
If they do that and then that keeps you from being violent, then that keeps you from being hurt, doesn't it?
Right.
Okay.
And I agree.
Okay.
I just feel like it was aggressive for the meaning of what they were trying to do at that time. I feel like if I was being aggressive, then I feel like that makes sense.
Okay. Did you make statements that you were going to shoot up the Aurora Mall?
I did not.
Okay. On TikTok, you did not do that?
No.
Okay. Well, that's possibly one of the things that you got this warrants on is because of that. Okay. So that's up for debate, but that's the information that we have. So we don't know if you're armed. We don't know what other weapons you may have on you.
Yes.
What do you use? What do you use to? What part of your body do you use if you're going to use a weapon? You would use your hands, right?
I would use my hands.
Exactly. So we want to have control of your hands. And so for our arrest control, and the way that we do arrest control is we gain control of the hands, and there's certain ways that we do that. It's a twist lock, and sometimes it's uncomfortable, right? It's not the most comfortable hold to have your hand twisted like this,
Right.
okay? But what does that keep you from doing? It keeps you from fighting, huh?
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Another thing is I am extremely popular on social media.
Okay.
So it doesn't surprise me that one of my fans would have called the Aurora Mall
Okay.
and then claimed I said something I didn't, because that happens all the time as well.
Okay. All right. All right. So I will give you my card, my business card, okay?
Okay.
And if you want to lodge a complaint, there's a complaint number on the back, or you can call me directly, okay, from the card if you have any other questions, okay? I would tell you that you're probably going to get a better return as far as someone talking to you if you just call me if you have any other questions, okay?
Okay.
All right, does that work?
That works.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, you good, Alexis?
Oh, definitely.
We'll put this in your property wherever he has. Where's your property at?
I'll go get it. It's in the car. You can
Okay.
you leave it right there. It's fine.
Yeah. So this will be in there.
Okay.
Any other questions for me?
Not really. I mean, I know how the jail process works.
Okay.
The Manly and who's the other guy at the mall?
It's kind of
The shorter one,
Yeah.
like stuff here.
Can't remember his name.
He's the New Yorker.
Yeah.
Okay, his name.
They were discussing. No, not Toronto. The other one.
Okay. They'll probably do that.
Okay. Well, anyway, they're discussing CDC forms and they're debating if they could add you or not. But I think they came to the conclusion that they can't because you're not on the same team.
Yeah, it's fine. I always,
Any
which
other
is
questions for me?
that like always throws me off. Like, it's like we don't work with other teams or what. It's fine. I always do my own just in case.
All right.
You know, stay low.
I'm gonna be real low.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
That's what I hope.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
He's
All right.
he's grabbing stuff out of the car real quick.
Okay.
Cruiser 26. That's swings.
Cruise 21, he's out getting something from his vehicle, I believe.
Do you know if I'm going to be transferred, or if I'm going to be booked here?
What's that?
Do you know, like, if I'm going to be booked here or transferred?
Yeah, so you're booked here, and then they'll transfer you to where that warrant is out of.
And then I'll get booked there.
Yeah, I don't know how that works. I don't know
Okay.
how the jurisdictions work as far as that goes, but that's usually what they do. They have their own booking process, so
Okay.
you'll go through that. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Haven't been in here, over here in a while.
It hasn't changed a lot. It's
No.
still the same nasty green color. And well, actually, the color used to be kind of cool, but now it's so
Related to this one?
Old.
dirty and nasty.
Yeah, just.
So I remember, like, we're going back and forth between handcuffing them to the bench. So now we're back to handcuffing to the bench at all times.
Okay.
The benches are kind of low.
Okay.
They are. Where's the bond schedule?
Okay, yeah, I gotta.
So
Is the
Finish up
probation
the wrap up real
violation
quick, and
itself?
I'll do it as quick as possible.
and I don't know if those are the new ones. So
And
you have
Adams?
the Aurora one
Yeah.
on the top there. So this is Arapahoe,
Yeah. Oh, and the
and
one
then
up there.
Aurora, and then Adams.
Anything for you, sir?
In Adams, we don't have to get certified, notified, notarized.
No notaries anymore.
Okay.
No notaries.
Of course, I go like.
They kind of simplified it.
160
I don't know if
once I'm
they've.
done.
The last one that I looked at looked about the same, but it's supposedly a lot easier to fill it out than the warrantless arrest affidavits. So
Is probation violation a felony or a misdemeanor?
depends.
Okay.
This one is a misdemeanor,
Yeah.
Okay.
but it's still coming down.
Yep. You good?
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
All right.
Did you need any? So what's the call about?
I guess 116 is dealing with a possible child abduction, and I guess everybody in the mamas they speak Spanish. Well, they're in Spanish speaking in the city, though.
An actual abduction.
It sounds like it, yeah.
Okay. All right. See what we got on that.
Yes. That's definitely a call we go to.
Yep.
End of contact.
End of contact.